I'll be playing with some NAIR. So I'm going to be putting the NAIR on my eyebrows, and as you can see, I have pretty full eyebrows, but I get them threaded, but I haven't done so in probably 3 months. I saw this video on YouTube of this girl putting NAIR on her eyebrows, and I thought to myself, why not?
But you did this for what?
Why not?
Why?
Why not?
Why not try putting NAIR on your eyebrows? Now, I've never done this before. Usually all I do is after I get them threaded, I just tweeze the hairs as they grow, so I usually keep them in line, or I have my eyebrow shaver. So this is going to be a first time thing for me. So let's get straight into it. All I'm going right now, I'm gonna trust this. And if it spoil, who do I have to blame? If it spoil, myself. And also, I like having big brows. Thin brows now wear for one, and two, I was never a fan of thin brows. I love when my eyebrows look big and full and thick, like how they naturally are. So I'm not going to be putting a lot of NAIR on them. What if I spoil it? Hey! Is that right? Alright, let's just go to the next one. Guys, I don't think I can do it again. Alright, so I have my good old NAIR. So I have this much on the brush, and I'm going to outline the top first. I feel like when I was cutting my hair, do you guys remember how I was freaking out when I cut my hair? The big chop? I'm assuming you're going to have to go in a couple times to cover the area with the NAIR so it actually takes off whatever hair it's touching. Because I'm scared as heck, I'm not going to let this stay no more than 10 minutes on my brows, because I really don't want to mess this up, guys. If it's spoiled, it's spoiled. If I dirt, I dirt. I'm gonna stress out myself. Eyebrows can draw on. And because this is my first time doing this, I'm really not going to be taking off a lot, guys. I can't. I feel scared. I think I've covered quite a few. As you can see, I haven't taken off a lot from the ends. The staying in business, clearly I get to my head, because oh my god, you hear them get curly. I don't know if you can see these ones, they're getting curly. Maybe it's not so bad after all. Maybe it's not so bad after all. Maybe it's not so bad after all. Alright, so now we just wait. I don't have sensitive skin, so I think so far so good. Alright, so I just did this a while ago and they're moving, so I'm going to go ahead and just wipe this off my eyebrows because I'm scared, officially scared. Makeup, but that's okay. It feels a little sensitive, just a little sensitive. So let's do the other one. Alright, so bam. As you can see, the top looks a lot better than the bottom, and that's because I barely I barely put it on the bottom. Well, I did, but boy, made it frayed bad. I feel like I took off a lot of my ends on this brow, to be honest. But I can definitely see where it would work for sure if I did it. Oh, and it looks so bad, you know. It don't look so bad, don't. I don't know. Comment and let me know if you think I did a good job on my first try. I'm definitely not going to try it again. Let me just put that out there. I'm not trying this again. This is a one-time thing. Yeah, but the top parts are clean. Period. But I don't know I'm going for the bottom part. I guess that's all on me. So clearly I did the top way better than how I did the bottom. Bottom of my eyebrows, and then I'm going to just apply some tea tree oil and that's it. Oh, I hate tweezing. You know, I give up. The hairs are too soft for me to tweeze them. This hair right here. And I'm going to be applying some tea tree oil. Who could I blame? Nobody. This is the final product. I didn't do so bad on my first try. I really like how the top turned out. But the bottoms, I could have done a little better with the bottoms, but that's okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends and family. Comment and let me know if you've tried NAIR on your